Your boy got 3 huge restock W's on the Nike SNKRS app, and today we're gonna unbox every single one of them. Still got some other boxes, so I'm gonna kind of do these videos, put more than one unboxing in the video. So all 3 of these I hit on a restock on the Nike SNKRS app, as you guys seen by the thumbnail and the title. Your boy got super lucky, got them shipped straight to the crib. Even though I wasn't even here, you know what I'm saying? Got these joints shipped straight to the crib, and now they're here. We're gonna unbox them for the vendor squad. Show you guys what your boy been picking up. Got a huge W on one of these sneakers, and once y'all see them, y'all gonna be like, yes sir, yes sir. One of my must cops for the year of 2021. And next year, I don't know if you guys seen it, but it's a lot more heat dropping. We're gonna do that in another video. Talk about some upcoming releases from Jordan Brand, man. So if you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, hit that subscribe button, ring notification bell for your boys so don't miss out on any other content we drop on the channel. Got a bunch more lookbooks, bunch more hottest styles coming very soon near you, so make sure you hit that notification bell right now for your boy. And last but not least, leave a huge like on today's video. That really helps the channel grow. You guys already know the goal this year, man. 50,000 subscribers, and I know we're gonna get there with you guys support, man. So all that being said, let's run it up. Let's get through all these packages right now and see what your boy been copping. All right guys, first things first, man. Check it out, check it out. This is from FedEx, if I'm not mistaken. They switched their shipping from UPS to FedEx, and literally all you have to do is this to open the box. And this is how it came. It came just like that. I don't know what's been going on with the shipping from FedEx, but I know it's a lot more complaints that I've been seeing on Instagram and on Twitter. It's crazy, man. Nike SNKRS app got to get their stuff together with how they ship out these sneakers, because they could easily fall out. Like, all you gotta do is this, and you're inside the box. This little sticky material that you guys see. All right, enough of that. Let's get into the sneaker. I don't even know which ones these are, but we're gonna slide them out real quick, get them out the way, and let's see what these is, man. Let's see what it is. Nike Air Max 1 Clot, retail 130, fish colorway, net deep red and orange blaze. Got these joints in the size 9. You guys see it, you see it. I don't even remember what these are, but the box is super nice. Let's get right into it, man. Let's get into it. All right, yes sir. Okay, I didn't even know I hit on these bad boys, man. I gotta look back and see what else I got in the closet, but you guys see it. We got the Clot Air Max 1s, and I don't know if you guys remember, but I did a video a long time ago unboxing some Air Max. I was like, yo, I might want to get my Air Max collection up. Just look at the details all around the sneaker. Kind of got this like python, reptile, alligator skin on the Nike swoosh on both sides. And then something that's very dope is that clear translucent toe box right there with all the different letters down there on the insole of the sneaker. And bro, check out this outsole. This is fire, bro. This outsole is super dope, man. Check it out. Got your little clock design at the bottom, translucent. You're not gonna really see these when you walk in, but just had these in the collection. Check them out, you know what I'm saying? See what you've been copping over the years, man. Looking back, this is definitely gonna be one of those dope sneakers, man. You guys see the little design on the back of the heel, man. Super nice, man. You get some extra red wax laces, and they come equipped in this like tannish beige laces right there, as you guys can see, man. So Clot Air Max 1, if I'm not mistaken, the whole Clot line with Air Max 1 is not going for a lot on the resale market. I don't really care. The resale market does not dictate what your boy be copping. These right here, definitely a cop, definitely a good addition to the collection. And when I tell you guys the quality, the craftsmanship, the whole design of this sneaker is super crazy. I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll over this entire sneaker, man. I cannot wait to throw these joints on with a fit. Let's go ahead and get right to the next pickup, man. All right guys, next we have a bigger Just Do It Nike box right here. As you guys can see, Just Steal Me tape. You guys know the whole little trend that was going on. But let's go ahead and get into these real quick. See what your boy been copping, man. See what your boy got lucky on. And one of these, I think I hit on a restock, and then one I think I hit actually on a release day. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna know for sure once we get inside the box. I got a couple more Nike boxes in there that we got to get into, man. So let's get into this one right here. I know exactly which ones these are. I know exactly which one these are. You guys let me know. If you don't cheat, don't skip. Which shoe box? Which shoes came in this box right here? The hardwood all over with that big red Jumpman on top. Let's go ahead and get into it real quick. Oh snap! Come on. Here we go. Yes sir. Yes sir, we have the Air Jordan 5 Retro Varsity Red, black and white. There goes the official size label right here. You guys know I took a little break. I sold like 30 pairs of shoes, and I sold this one right here, but your boy hit on the restock, surprise little shock drop restock that they did. And yes sir, we have them back in the collection. And it's crazy because the size I had before was a size 9.5. Now your boy got his size 9 in the region Bull 5s. This was a must-have this year. You guys know I go for all them OG colorways. All those ones that really released back in the day when I was in high school and I couldn't get them. I was like, yo, one day, your boys gonna cop them, man. And here we have it, the Raging Bull 5s. They've been collecting dust in the box, but I'm definitely about to get some dope wears out of these bad boys right here. You got your Jumpman on the back, and you have your 2-3 on the side right here. I don't even know if I did a full review on feet of these. I'm not too sure. You guys know I've been going for a while, so I gotta look back and see. But you guys see it, all translucent blue outsole with that red Jumpman. You guys know this was a super sought after colorway. Definitely one of those ones you gotta add to the collection. This is one of them like top 10 in my opinion. Top 10 for me. I'm gonna speak for myself. Top 10 sneakers in my collection. Top 10 releases of all time. Raging Bull Air Jordan 5s, man. Let's go ahead and get to the last sneakers app. Restock W, man. Let's get into it. All right, this is the biggest box. This is the biggest box, and if I'm not mistaken, I think I know which shoes he's in. I think I know what shoes he's in, man. So let's go ahead and get into these joints real quick. We're gonna keep this video raw, uncut, no edits, you feel me? Throw some beer on there, of course, for you guys. But I kind of wanted to just go through this video, show you guys what your boy been copping and what I've been going. So let's go ahead and get into this one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your boy is excited. Oh, man, I can't wait to throw some fits together with these right here. You don't even know. I cannot wait. You guys should know what these is, man. All yellow top with that black Jumpman up top with the flight. Official size tag reads Air Jordan 4 Retro, Tour Yellow, Dark Blue, Gray. These retail for $220. And I ain't gonna lie, lately, your boy has not been applying that military discount. I don't know what, I need to get back to my cheap side and hit them up like, yo, apply that 10%, save me some money on that shipping, you feel me? So let's get into it. Oh man, finally. We finally have them, bro. We finally have the Lightning 4s. Oh my God, this is my first time even having these in my hand. Whew. These are nice. These are nice. So got a couple of those grills checked off the list. Lightnings, Raging Bulls, and some other colorways that released this year, like the Oreos right here. Something that came out back in like 2013. Really wanted it, couldn't get it. The Lightnings came out in 2012, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not too sure. But all these sneakers right here, you guys see, like especially the OG Jordan colorways, your boy had to have them, man. Check these beauties out. You're gonna definitely see some fits with these Lightning 4s very soon. Let me pull both of them out of the box real quick. Yes, sir. Your boy got his size. I got lucky on this one. I did not know I was going to hit on the sneakers app. Your boy been taking some mad L's. When I say mad, it's crazy. I've been taking huge L's, but some of those ones that I did hit on like this, really means a lot, man. So shouts out to the sneakers app. I could take about 10 L's, but as long as I got these and the Raging Bulls, your boy is happy, man. Yes, sir. Definitely top 5 pickup of the year for me. Lightning 4s. Cannot wait till them red Thunders drop. That's gonna be another crazy pickup. It's not an OG colorway, but still it's a very, very, very fire colorway, man. All right, guys, you see it, man. 3 dope sneaker unboxing straight from the sneakers app. Hit on these 2 on the restock, and I hit on this one on the drop, if I'm not mistaken. I might have hit on this one on the restock as well. They did. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna look back and see when I actually ordered this on the app. But thank you guys for pulling up to today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content. I'm definitely gonna do a how to style video for the Air Jordan 4 Lightnings. Definitely get a bunch of dope fits out of this one with this nice bright yellow vibrant color. You're gonna see it very soon near you, so subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the like button if you like these unboxings. More unboxings are coming your way very soon, and head over to IG, check your boy out on Instagram at the Vintage World. Be linked in the description box. See some dope fits I throw together with these sneakers. You're definitely gonna like them. Show some love over there. Appreciate all the love and support, and yeah guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.